Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing an unboxing, and also with this unboxing we are going to be doing a comparison between using a lavalier and not using a lavalier, using a single ring light versus using a double-sided ring light. Okay, so this is going to be a very interesting video. I bought this for myself, the lavalier with the extension to add to my phone for the camera. All right, I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And then I got surprised by my big sister Jill's comfort zone with a brand new ring light and tripod set. Okay, thank you, Jill. I'm going to have her link down in the description box. Well, it's always there, always there. You all know we are a squad. I'm just playing, we're family. I don't Jill get ticked off by the word click. Okay, so when you go over there, just be like, Jill, your family Adrian sent me over here. Hey. So I was filming and I got interrupted with a little bit of noise. So the top of the package is already open. And we have our lavalier. This is the pop voice lavalier. We're going to get into that. This is the extension cord for to attach to the phone. I'm telling you, this heat is just making me sweat, man. Sweat, you know? Sweat. All right, so let's see what's in our lavalier packet, okay? So as you can see, it has a nice velvet drawstring bag that says Pop Voice. So the packaging is nice and beautiful. And you know, I feel like it's easy to travel. You're gonna get all your things that is gonna be right there. So as I said in the first part of the video, you are going to see me doing this without the lavalier versus with the lavalier. So it comes with this nice manual, and it gives you all the different features on there. As you can see, shows you all of that. All right. Now, as you can see, come with that thing over the top. It's a pretty good size. It has a clip on there. And it's a pretty lengthy cord, okay? Has this nice wrapper on it that says Pop Voice. And then it comes with 3 additional colors of the muffet. I think that's what they call it. I hope I'm saying it right. All right, it's called wind muffs, okay? And then the Velcro, and then the PC adapter is in there also. As I said, nice packaging. And it really looks like high quality for the price. As I said, I paid, I think, $19 for this and about $7 for the accessory part. So this is a pretty basic packaging for this one, but this is the extension that you're going to use to connect your lavalier with your iPhone. And the cool thing about this one is actually has 2, so you get a 2-for-1 deal, and I get all of this on Amazon. All right, so let me move these out of the way, and then we're gonna get to the big boy, the star of the show, which was a gift from Jill's Comfort Zone, as I said before. So we're gonna get into this one. As I said, I was waiting on all of these stuff to come, and this was a pretty hefty price she paid. But let's see what we got in the box. All right, so wow. Let's put that right there. And it says, it comes with keep your gift a surprise. So let's see what is in here. Now you all know nobody ever sent me nothing from Amazon. Nobody. Alright, so let's see what it says. Got 3 paper in here. This one says a gift for you. Okay. It says, well, I ain't telling you what it says. I ain't telling you what it says, okay? Alright. I'm gonna pull a cake cotton today. Eat it with cake cotton. Alright, so as you can see, it comes in this nice package. I guess she paid extra for the gift wrap and all those stuff. But yeah, there's a little card on there too. Jill really went all out for this right here. As you can see, it looks just like that. We are going to open it up. Whew. It is so hot in here. So hot in here. Alright, so it comes with that little thing right there. It's the 2-in-1 adapter cable. It says, thank you, sharing your life, lighting up your beauty. And a few more things. Alright, so I think it's gonna be easy to assemble. We'll see how easy the process is. So it has 2 of these lights. So we're really gonna see if this really lighten up the quality. This is like the part that you attach your phone in. It comes with the stand and the cords. So, yeah. Then it comes with, this is really high quality. Look at that. Look how heavy and nice that is. So we're really gonna see the difference in this right here. And then there's another light in here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pause this video. We're gonna get this part, add the green screen and everything to that. I'm gonna set up my lavalier and my new ring light and all that stuff, and we'll see you in just a few. All right. So guys, I can say that this ring light has really set up my setup so beautifully. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so grateful to Jill's Comfort Zone. Oh my goodness. Whew. I'm still sweating, but this is so good. This is so good. Oh my. You know what? Let me sing my song that Silas made. Let's remix it. Thank you, Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. I really would Oh, thank you for the ring light. So guys, this is what I had before filming my video. Just this one little light. This light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. So, you know, if you guys know Jill, you know Jill is a very loving, kind person, and she really looks out for her people. And you know, I'm so grateful for Jill's Comfort Zone. You know, she's on her way to 1K. Her link is always in my description box. So if you want to go check her out, go check her out. You'll love her content. And she just gives you, you know, that nice, bubbly personality. Whew. I look at those people in that makeup room who always trying to look good, and they're like, whew. But as you can see, it has these beautiful muffs or whatever they call them, 3 more different colors. So this is really good. It has another adapter in there. So the quality of these videos are gonna be so much better. It's gonna be better. But it is beautiful setup. So guys, I'm super excited for you to see the new quality. Now Adrian don't have to hold his phone or anything. And the lights are just so beautiful. And what I like about it is that you can move the lights up and down. So it's gonna be amazing. So guys, I just want to say that we're gonna be having a change of schedule. Our lives are now gonna be down to 1 or twice per month. It's still gonna be on a Saturday, so you can check out the community tab for more information about that. We're now gonna be uploading Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The times are gonna be between 7:30 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's gonna be premieres here and there, so just keep a close look, but the content is about to get even better. Thanks to Jill's Comfort Zone, we're gonna have some beautiful background. They're gonna be nice and crisp, because now you have light on both sides. As you can see, the shirt says rootless until found guilty. This is from a UK clothing brand. I do have a discount with them, but I need to go ahead and find that. But guys, I'm sweating because of this weather. But you know what? I'm gonna keep doing this. Like, you know those people in the glam. But guys, I want to say thank you all so much for watching. If you like the content and you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as I always say, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Alright guys, so I'm going to insert a little photo of how this, whole setup is. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. See y'all later. Alright guys, you can get this from Amazon.com. Thank you guys once again for watching. And shout out to Jill's Comfort Zone for this gift. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. See you in the next one.